This is GEODUDE Traveler and I'm heading towards Thimappana Betta, the Twin Rocks in Ramanagara, a quick getaway from Bangalore. The roads taking me there are from Machinabale Dam. I just had a short visit with my friends and the riding group, and we had a pit stop and we had some good little hike and a view of the Machinabale Dam. Now the road which I am taking is towards the Thimappana Betta, Twin Rocks, Ramanagara, which is a very quick getaway from Bangalore. From here, I travel solo towards Thimappana Betta. You can check on the Google Maps, Thimappana Betta Swami Temple, Kuttagal. The directions are Mysore Road, turn right at the Ramanagara signal, follow directions on the map for Thimappana Swami Temple. The road conditions are good, there are narrow roads, there are also various routes which pass through the village roads. You can definitely take various kinds of routes heading towards the same direction, and you can keep moving into various directions and stop and take various footages and photographs. The other nearby places from Thimappana Betta are the Kanwa Dam, the Ramanagara Temple and Savandurga. There is greenery on all sides and fresh air is highly refreshing here. Amazing place to visit to watch the sunrise, very near to Ramanagara. There are very less facilities available in this area, so you need to carry your water, food, you can find a little bit of mud trail. Nice. Going safely through the water. Better go by the water road. Cleans off the tires. Little lake here. Nice beautiful hut, you can see there. Nice cow shed. Taking some odd roads towards Thimappana Betta.
that road indicates towards Thimappana road. Okay, thank you.
Thimappana Betta is one of the hundreds of rock formations in the Ramanagara area in the outskirts of Bangalore. This rock has come to limelight recently in 2017 due to its easy accessibility till the top.
That's the Thimappana Betta, guys. So we enter. It's a very holy place. You see those mountains there? The two boulders on top of a huge mountain. Lovely. That's Thimappana Betta. Lovely view. Passing in between boulders, the gate is open. Let's head towards this little forest in between. That's lovely. Lovely view of the place. You can see the whole of this place. So finally I've arrived in this lovely place called the Thimappana Betta. So this is the guy who builds it. So I'm going to set past into this little narrow road. Let's see. Alright, so just come up. Won't go higher. Lovely, what a view from here. I'll just keep it here. Bye bye. Awesome, guys. This place is just awesome. This place is called Thimappana Betta. Lovely. So here is Thimappana Betta, a lovely view, a lovely bike, Buddy's camera and myself, GEODUDE traveler, have brought you today to Thimappana Betta from Bangalore. Awesome place, lovely place, worth coming here. The roads are amazing. Once you leave the city, there's a good stretch of 40 kilometers, which is very nice to go off-roading. A little bit of nice roads and village roads, gullies, narrow roads, a little bit of slushy, muddy roads. So you get everything, mix and match of everything. Then you get the boulders and the rocks and this lovely view. Amazing, guys. A lovely view of those three boulders. Look at the 360-degree view.
This place is such a nice, clean, calm place for a day out away from Bangalore, suitable for a morning ride. The riding on the hill is prohibited now, but yes, you can take and ask permission the person who's giving you the ticket. The hill is barricaded for off-road bike rides. There is beautiful temple at the top, which is open only on Saturday. Can have fun if you go in groups. It's less crowded place, good parking facilities available. It's a wonderful weekend spot for family, couple and friends where you can drive two-wheeler till the mountain place, and it's covered with greenery. I really had a crazy adventure getting on my bike till this place, and the cloud movements and everything on the sky and the boulders all around were just mind-blowing.
The trek has been very interesting. A little hike, a little walk. You can easily come up to the top.
It's a good place to visit near Ramanagara. Children can go. Car goes almost to the viewpoint. The beautiful view of the twin rocks and the nearby rocks. One can easily go to Twin Rocks by hiking from this viewpoint.
So you can climb up through this place or the other side. So it's time to go.
It's such a really cool place for a quick and unplanned weekend getaway, and it's just about 70 kilometers from Bangalore. A beautiful location to ride on a weekend, brilliant views, 360 degree, easy to reach.
Hope you like my videos. Please do subscribe, comment and like.